Hi guys, I'm cyanotyping for the first time in my life. This is some chemical, I don't know.
एक हाथ से hold it.
Althea told me about scrutiny.
ठीक है?
अभी you wait for 5 minutes or more.
5 minutes or more we wait. Hi guys. She's Riya. She is our friend from
I'm the back.
Gufa Labs.
Yeah,
we met
technically.
we met you in Gufa Labs
Yeah.
first.
And then I discovered that she was my best friend's cousin.
Let's go.
At Gupala.
She's the specialist here.
Oh my god.
I don't know.
Is that how you're gonna introduce me at the cyanotype workshop? Really?
We're gonna be like, oh, she's the one who's gonna answer all the science questions.
I can't wait.
Also, there's some filter on here.
What is it?
Like it's some film filter. I think I was
I
trying
kinda
it
like
out.
it though.
Really? I don't generally shoot in this. It was just there and I was.
But I think it'll look cool. Cyanotype with a
man behind all of this.
Yeah.
Nishant, you're gonna go on YouTube.
अच्छा.
But yeah, Avi, is this right?
Yeah, it's done.
ठीक है आयुष. We're doing the main poster, right?
Yeah.
मैं करता हूँ.
Guys, I'm supposed to do the main poster that I made on Photoshop, that we made on Photoshop yesterday.
Should I like show them?
Yeah, you can record the way you want to.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Just position and how? First position the...
Honest to the point of reckoning.
Wait, so which one of you came up with the name?
We came up with it together. We were sitting together. We had 4 choices.
Or just do it this side and this side. So you guys don't have to do too much. Should I bring it along?
Yeah. Just flip the thing.
How do you feel after doing your first cyanotype?
Very nice. Okay, we have to go to the other.
Yeah, let's go.
Guys are short on time.
Second print.
Oh, I can make a heart यहाँ पे.
Ooh, that looks so freaking cute. You guys see it?
The heart.
Loose with the truth. Baby, it's your fight. Baby, don't get burned. When the smoke has cleared,
These are the negatives we printed.
said to me,
Oh, we should take a time lapse from here on the day of the workshop.
and a little sympathy.
Guys, I need to take this. Can I remove it?
Yeah.
There are things you can't replace, and others you cannot.
Ooh, look at this. This one's come out so good.
I made this one.
Yes.
Dishant made this.
Oh. Yes.
Even his, I love his honestly.
Guys, this has the hydrogen peroxide. I just learned that from Ria. Before that, I was like, it has some chemicals. And after letting it dry in the UV light, UV ray, whatever, sun,
Whatever, son.
we're supposed to wash it off with water, rinse the chemical off the paper, and then we'll put it in this for the blue color to be enhanced. This though, I think we can wash.
This one, try washing this one.
This piece.
Not a tray, just like...
What, like you wash it like that?
Like this.
It's happening.
Look at the heart. It's like वो खाने का heart कौन सा आता है?
Oh, I know.
I was eating that a few days back.
Little heart.
Little
heart. You can directly put it in the hydrogen peroxide.
Oh, can you?
Yeah.
Did I just put
Yeah, that's okay. You can do that.
Are you sure?
Yeah, 1 second. I just can't see.
Oh wow, crazy. I love my eyebrows.
We're guilty of the same old thing. Thinking a lot about
Tell me when to stop because then I'll just be cleaning it. Oh, I like it.
Raw Studios at it.
The cyano print is done. This is how it looks. This is our poster that we are going to put on our events.